Chatty was fun. Until the fairy lights.
Hello eggs! So I'm going to be doing a makeup video today, just like a little chatty video, just to, you know, get the flows going, and this is the look I'm going to be doing. And sorry if this video is ultra long because I have a funny feeling it's going to be very long. But yeah, keep watching and see you in a second. Okay, so let's get down to brass tacks. So I've already done my base and I was using the Decay all-nighter, and I've done my brows as well, which I use the Revlon Glossy. I actually really like this. So this is a brow tint, and yeah, it looks like that. The first colour I'm going to be using is called Decay, and I'm going to use that as my transition shade. Hopefully this looks okay. Ooh, bit pigmented, isn't it? Okay, I try and do good at eyeshadow. I don't know if I am, but I try. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Try to walk away and I stumble. Sorry, I get too into my music. That's basically what this is. It's just gonna be me singing along really badly to songs. So that's my transition shade, Josie. I'll go for Devilish, which is that shade there. So I'm going to just use that just a bit. Let's hope for the best. I'm just going to put that I'm going to try and put it just under the transition shade. I just like to feel where my sockets are and kind of like work in there. That's how I kind of define where my crease is. I might take a bit of that juicy colour again and just like put it above again just to make sure it's nice and blended. Hopefully my eyes don't look like a bruised mess, but I think they do. But we're going to fix it, okay? So I'm going to use Love Letter in the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'm just going to really try and put that in those sockets, you know. And with a cut crease, it doesn't really matter too much if you get colour on your lid, because you're going to be obviously using a concealer. Obviously it'd be better if you don't, but you know, what can you do? Okay, right, I'm going to take this shade from the what's her name? Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to mix that with a bit of Venetian red. So I'm just going to use both of them together. Let's hope that there's a kind of shade that we want. That's going to go really into the crease. We don't really want to put it in the transition, but if it happens, it happens, because that is my life, because I am not good. Rightio then, poppets. So I don't have any concealer because I'm a poor girl and I'm basic. I'm going to take this, again the packaging is lovely, it's Dermacool and it's a foundation. Love my packaging. Yeah, basically I broke it, so it looks like that because I have to squeeze it out that way. But yeah, this is supposed to be the world's most high coverage foundation, and I like using it as a concealer because it's pretty good. Although I find it's very oily on my skin, and I have oily skin already, so the transfer on it is awful. Like, it transfer onto everything all the time, but just get some good setting powder, I guess. So I'm just going to take like a little brush like this. Let's hope for the best. So I'm just going to use like a basic shade, anything light. I'm really going to rub that in because this is proper transfery sort of product. Okay. Can you hear? Ozzy! You're not normal. I'm never gonna be able to do a tutorial. I might just quickly add a bit in my crease just to tidy that up a bit. I might just add Juicy, you know. There we go. That would do. Do you know what? I might go for gold. So it's just like a little fairy dust thing I have. So I'm just going to take a bit of NYX glitter glue And then I'm going to use that same brush I used to cut the crease. That is pretty. That is, I love this colour. Yeah, just shove that on there. We want it glittery AF. And then I'm going to get some more glitter and do the other side. So I'm going to go in with those two same shades again from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to blend that top bit out. And then, just because I feel like we've lost a bit of definition. Okay, so the next shade I think I'm going to go for is I'm going to go for Love Letter, because I really want that pinky shade on my corners just to blend out the side a bit so it's less like harsh lines of the glitter. Okay, so now that I've done my eyeshadow, or somewhat done it, I'm gonna quickly move on to concealer just to conceal just a bit more under my eyes, and I'm gonna use that Dermacore one again. And I'm just using a Spectrum brush just to put that under my eye. I want it sharp, sharp AF. I want it so sharp that it's gonna cut bitches up. Like anyone who tries to come near me and tries to be a bish, I'm gonna cut them with my sharpness of my eyeshadow. Don't mess with me, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm gonna use the RCMA powder, and that's just like a translucent powder. I'm just gonna kind of bake my face, but I don't even know if I bake properly. I don't know if I know how to bake. I can't even bake a cake. How am I gonna bake a face, you know? I'm gonna put it under my eyes because that's the main place I want to brighten. I might do a bit there as well. Oh gosh, I got that in my hair. I'm gonna leave that for a bit just so it, you know, it bakes. So I'm gonna leave that for a little bit just to let it set and things. While I'm waiting for that to set, I'm gonna go in with Hoola. That's what I'm gonna go in with, Hoola, wherever that is. Okay, Hoola is my best friend. I use that to bronze my face. We don't need you. Thank you. Next. I wish I could relate. Don't have any exes, and I don't say thank you to any guys I've ever liked because they're twats. Ow. Rightio then. So I'm just gonna, you know, contour my face a bit, you know. Oh yeah, that is, there we go, it's done. Buffy, buffy, buff, buff. Really buff that edge of the skin. Thank you. Eggs. Do a bit onto the chin as well. We don't want that double chin bad, don't we? While I'm out here doing the golden goddess glow, because I'm glowing, I've just been around, been in the sun, living my best life, because that is what we're trying to tell people. I've lived my best life. And I'm going to try and fake it to everyone that I am happy, that I am living my life. MAC Global Glow is going on next. I'm going to use this brush here. It's just a lovely way to add a bit of, you know, oomph to the face, make it more magical, make it more like, I'm a goddess. Hit me up, baby. After the bronze done, I'm just going to like powder, you know, like really make sure that that paleness is gone a bit. I'm going to go in with MAC Petal Power, I think, because it's such a pretty little blush. I'm so happy. You're making me blush. Damn! It has, I love it because it has like gold undertones to it. Oh, you stop it, you precious one. Last for the face, but then I need to move on to the eyes again to add a bit of lash. I'm gonna go for a highlight. So I'm gonna go for my all-time favourite. I'm gonna go for Artist Couture. This, it gives me goosebumps, this highlight. This is Cocoa Bling, and it's just, oh my lord. It doesn't even give it justice on the camera, honestly. Dabble a bit on my nose, on my shaft of my nose. So I'm gonna add a bit of this. I'm gonna add it to the corners of my eyes, and then I might add like a bit under the brow. I'm gonna use the Revlon mascara. She gonna be mascara all night long. See, I would be wearing fake lashes, but I'm too lazy. So, I'm gonna go on to lips. So I'm gonna take the lip liner Kristen by Kylie Jenner. I love the liners because they're really creamy. And then, I didn't say your name, Alexa.
My name is Alexa.
Okay. Cool story, bro. Okay. That's the best way to apply it. The colour I'm wearing on my lips is my favourite lipstick, but I don't know if they sell it anymore because it's Jeffree Star and Manny MUA, and it's the colour I'm Shook. The next thing I'm going to use is Makeup Obsession. It's like a holographic lip topper. I might actually blop that a bit. So that is it. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed and subscribe for more content. And hopefully I'll be doing more things like this if you like it, or anything else really if you have any suggestions, and I will do it because I love doing videos. That's my favourite thing to do. So keep them coming with suggestions. So yeah, have a fabulous weekend. If it is the weekend, but yes, if not, have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!